everyone, I'm Mr. Boom Boom, and welcome back to my music room. Today we're going to be doing a spooky bucket drumming lesson. I'm going to teach you a few basic drum patterns today, and we're going to learn about quarter notes and eighth notes. Are you ready to get started? Very good. Now, quarter notes look like this, and they are worth one beat. Can you say that? One beat. Very good. Now, if we were to click quarter notes with our sticks, it would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter, 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 quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter, 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 quarter. Now, eighth notes look like this. And eighth notes are worth half of a beat. Can you say that? Half of a beat. Very good. So if this is quarter notes, our eighth notes will be twice as fast. It would go like this. Eighth, 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 eighth. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Very good. I think you're ready to start our lesson. All right, if you're ready, grab your sticks and your bucket and let's play. Don't be too scared. There will be notation on the screen for more advanced learners. The quarter note that has an X at the bottom is a click. The letter M under a note means hit the middle. The letter E means hit the edge. And the letter S means the side. So M for middle, E for edge, S for side. Pattern 1 has one hit in the middle followed by 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 2 has 2 hits in the middle and 2 hits on the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle, middle, edge, edge, middle, middle, edge, edge. Pattern 3 has 2 hits in the middle, 1 hit on the edge, and 1 hit on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle, middle, edge, side. Middle, middle, edge, side. Middle, middle, edge, side. Middle, middle, edge, side. Pattern 4 will be harder because it has eighth notes. And remember, eighth notes are faster because they're worth half of a beat. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So 4 eighth note hits on the middle, followed by a hit on the edge and another hit on the side. Let's take it slow. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 A little bit faster. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 So those are our 4 patterns. And remember, the notes or the notation will be on your screen. Great job, everyone! You've learned all of our spooky bucket drumming patterns. Now, if you're not ready to play yet, it's okay. Pause the video and practice slowly. And once you're ready, you can keep going. Now, if you are ready now, put on your brave face. Say, I'm not scared. All right, let's have some fun. Pattern 1, here we go. Middle, click, click, click. Middle, click, click, click. Nice and even. Pattern 2, here we go. Middle, middle, edge, edge. Middle, middle, edge, edge. Same pattern, pattern 2. Middle, middle, edge, edge. All right, pattern 3. 1, 2, here we go. Middle, middle, edge, side. Middle, middle, edge, side. Middle, middle, edge, side. Hey friends, I'm so excited to show you my brand new Mr. Boom Boom drumsticks. These are the same drumsticks that I use in my videos, and they're available right now on my website. Go to mrboomboom.shop right now with your grown-up and use promo code YouTube10 to save 10%. I hope everyone had a great time today with our spooky bucket drumming lesson. And if you want to do more activities, you can click the bucket drumming playlist or the Halloween playlist down below. Now make sure you or your grown-up hit the like button. And if you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button as well. Until next time, bye friends.